Hey guys, it's Mecha-san here, doing a little Gundam view request here. This is an interesting one here, but I gotta do more, promote more of these stop motion animations here that these people make on YouTube here, because we got one here called the Gundam Assembly of the RX-78 new RX sorry 78. All right. I'm sorry. I'm just used to saying the RX and 78. The RX 93 New Gundam. I'm used to just calling it the New Gundam. All right, and this is made by a YouTuber, did by the GT channel here. I like all these stop motion animation they do here, so yeah, maybe I should do more reaction videos to this stuff. Now, let's take a look here. Alright, first things, there we go. Stop motion Gundam assembly. That was amazing, this is... Oh wow, just seeing... Okay. I like how they make it look like it moves on its own. It's like, how do you get some of this? It just stays that still for the quick shot. God, I gotta get back to building model kits. Like, and you need, like, how do you, that rolling feature, like, you gotta get it holding just perfectly still for that. Oh, this looks like the Iron Giant for that movement. Yeah, just like the Iron Giant putting itself back together. Yeah, it doesn't work that way. Yeah, none of the other hands. Sticker just came out of nowhere. Look at that! Jesus, and the patterns and everything, just seeing as it's holding mold to place. Bazooka. Okay, nice. The new Gundam is born. Has been forged. We got the fin funnels. Haha, nice. Awesome. Like the sound effects and everything, and then just, oh look, that's that feature where it just moves back in there like that. Aww, get back in there. We probably go bed, but still. Yeah, it was a good. Yeah, you're welcome. That was nice. Although I definitely prefer more of like the more action or oriented stuff where they're fighting. Because that, it shows a lot more work and just all they can achieve there with the special effects and the like little cotton ball puff smokes and stuff like that, and just the clash, the sparks going off of the armor that they can do. Oh boy, it's amazing. But yeah, that was very nice. Though honestly I don't do the 144, I do the 1/100s and up. But nice nonetheless. And yeah, I gotta get back to building Gundam models, like, stat. So everyone, thank you all for watching. Yeah, show me if anyone can recommend more of these like stop motion, like the more action oriented stuff. If I haven't watched it, please. And specifically, if you could have anyone that shows like a mix and match of different franchises together, like Gundam with Transformers or like throw Macross as well. Because come on, why not? Oh well, as always, comment below what you all thought. Like, subscribe for more videos. Until the next one, this is Mecha-san logging out.